Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to migrate OneDrive to Google Drive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign in to your Microsoft OneDrive account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and the settings you'll need to complete the migration process. After you sign in, wait a moment while the login process completes. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. Now, to begin migrating your OneDrive files to Google Drive, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your gateway to all the important settings and configuration options. Click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. Once the settings menu appears, you'll see several options listed. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main OneDrive settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account and file storage. This is where the migration tools are located, so it's an important step in the process. Now, on the settings page, look at the left-hand menu. You'll need to find an option called Import Cloud Photos and Files. This feature is specifically designed to help you transfer content between different cloud storage services, making the migration process much smoother and more straightforward than manually downloading and uploading files. Click on Import Cloud Photos and Files and you'll see several cloud service options appear. Look for and click on Connect Google Drive. This option allows OneDrive to establish a secure connection with your Google Drive account, enabling the transfer of your files directly between the two platforms without needing to download anything to your computer. After clicking Connect Google Drive, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Go ahead and enter your Google credentials to authorize the connection. This step is necessary because it gives OneDrive permission to access your Google Drive and transfer files there. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll see your Google Drive account listed on the screen. Finally, you'll notice a Start button appearing under your Google Drive account information. Click this button to begin the migration process. Your files will now start transferring from OneDrive to Google Drive automatically. Depending on how much data you have stored, this process might take some time, so be patient and let it complete. The system will handle everything in the background, moving your files safely from one platform to the other, and that's it. You've successfully set up the migration from OneDrive to Google Drive, and your files are now being transferred. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.